how to consistently make $10,000 or more per month with your training business. Now, this is a word here a lot of coaches like to avoid. They don't like to market themselves. They are afraid to do it. They think it takes too long. They don't like technology. And really all it is, it's limiting beliefs. But I'm gonna show you something that you have to do in order to get to the $10,000 or more per month level. And I'm gonna break this into 3 different things here. And then I'll go through each one by one, all right? So in order to dominate your city and get more clients and have clients consistently train with you and really put your message out there, we need to get very good at email marketing. And you might be thinking in your head right now, well, I don't like sending emails. I hate the computer. I don't think parents will buy into that. Well, they won't if you have that mindset. And if you are on my newsletter for coaches, I send a daily newsletter to coaches that is designed to give value. It's designed to help coaches like clarify what they're doing. And I sell in every email, right? The next one here is, I'm just gonna put Facebook/Instagram marketing. Now, here's something that's really cool, but here's my phone right here, okay? If I want, I could wake up every single day and do a live video. I can take out my phone, this is my television, right? And I can just do a live video, post it. This is my own television channel now. Other parents in my area, I'm building influence, I'm building, they're liking me, they're trusting me, they're believing in what I'm saying. And that is something you can do whenever you want. And if you have a regular schedule of doing videos and putting yourself out there, well, now you're going to get more customers. I can promise you right now, there's no one in your city who's doing what I'm talking about. And I can just guarantee it. I've yet to see someone who's within basketball, soccer, football, who's has a consistent message with email marketing and here on Facebook. I am talking about getting yourself out on video, forcing yourself to do it, and doing it on a regular basis. That will help you get more traction. And I promise you, I've had to do it. I didn't want to do videos, but I had to. And I knew that that was going to be a way where I could attract way more clients. Now, the last one here is referrals. So if we have emails in place and we turn this into a system, we have videos in place, turn that into a system. We have referrals in place, we turn that into a system. And here's a great way to systemize your referrals. It's every 30 days after you sign up a new player in your program, new client, you go to their parents and you ask for the referral. Very simple. When you tie these 3 together, it's a lot easier to get to $10,000 a month when these become systems. If you just wake up and randomly are shooting Facebook videos and you're sending random emails, that is not gonna work, right? That's not planned out at all. And if you want to have a planned out strategy where every day it's like, you know what to do, you know what type of video to shoot, you know what type of email to send, you know what works with parents, shoot me a text at this number right here. And when you do that, that'll be sent to my office and I'll check that within the next 24 hours. And from there, I'd love to help you out. So just do that, shoot me a text whenever you want, and I'm here to help you. And this is option C, which is monthly workshops. And here's what I mean by that. This could be a camp. This could be a clinic. This could be you in an office like this where you're talking to kids about confidence. This could be you meeting with kids and talking to them about college recruiting. This could be anything about nutrition or anything that you know that you're an expert on. You can have these little events set up throughout the month where you can add additional revenue based on your expertise. And this is the thing a lot of coaches do. They know a lot about certain things, but they aren't using that to benefit their business. They think that, well, every kid knows about nutrition. Well, no, they don't. You can have a nutrition workshop where you charge, it's like $100 per player, and you have families that come and meet in a group setting, and you're showing them, like, hey, this is what you need to get when you go to the grocery store. This is what you need to eat before you play in your games. This is what you need to eat after your games. And what you're doing is you're showing everyone that you're the expert on this, and you can have an hour or 2 hour presentation about that. And that's a great way to add more revenue. You have this high-end offer, not everyone's gonna take. You have this. This is gonna be the more appealing offer. But if you have parents who are like, you know what, well, we can't commit to coming once a week. We don't have time to do that. You're like, okay, great. Ms. Jones, we have this option where you can come once a month or twice a month. You can set this up however you want, and it's more affordable. And what we can do here is we can have, let's say it's one Friday out of the month. It's a clinic that you put on. All right, we turn this into a monthly membership. But if we broke this down, let's say it's $75 per player, and I'll let you do the math on this. Let's say there's 30 in attendance and 30 that are committed every single month. Well, that's really good, right? That's telling me that that's going to add a lot of revenue that can help you get here faster, or that can add into what you're doing here by just adding 1 hour of work per week. And again, what this does is this funnels phone calls that you have with parents. If you start here and we try to move them here and they don't want to do that, we can move them here. And you might be thinking, well, Ben, I can't charge $75 a month if I just do one session a month. Well, that's limited thinking. That's telling me that you don't value yourself and your time that high. And that's also telling me that you're probably just showing up and doing a session. That's the opposite of what I teach. This option here is something that I know you can do if you are marketing yourself. And I'd love to connect with you and see how I can help you out. That's it. I'll see you on the next one.